Jai Srimannarayana. 39th sloka of 6th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Ye tamme samsayam Krishna chetum arhasya seshataha tvadanyaha samsayasya asya chetanahi vupapadyate. Om. Realize and believe in that only Sri Krishna Paramatma can remove your doubts completely and can dispel the darkness completely. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending every one of us to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, "Come to me, surrender to me alone. Mamekam Saranam Vraja." Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, "O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I shall realize, I shall believe that only you can remove all my doubts completely and you can dispel all the darkness completely. O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. O Krishna, O Srimannarayana, I shall act according to your word. Srimannarayana, karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana." Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam vudirayet. Srimad Bhagavatamu 10th Skandham 11th day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, "O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Kamsa is driving the chariot in which Devaki and Vasudeva are there. While going on their way, there is one Akasavani. There are some words heard from space addressing Kamsa like this: O Kamsa, Tvam ashtamo garbho hantayam vahase abudha sishtayaguni talodari ashtama garbhambu ninnu hariyunchu Ho Kamsa, now whomever you are taking her 8th pregnancy, her 8th child is going to kill you. Without knowing that fact, you are driving the chariot very happily. Like that, Asariravani, Akasavani heard to Kamsa. Immediately that Kamsa, Bhaginim Hantum Arabdham Khadgapanihi Kache Agrahit. Immediately that Kamsa with his left hand, he has taken Devaki's hair. He held Devaki's hair. And then with his right hand, he lifted the sword, big knife, to cut Devaki Devi's head. When Kamsa was about to do that, Vasudeva has seen Kamsa. Now Kamsa is ready to do such a cruel work and shameful work. To him, in order to comfort him, now Vasudeva is saying like this. What Vasudeva is going to say, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishno Rakshatuno Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarasetravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita 6th chapter 39th sloka. Etanme samsayam Krishna chetumarhasya seshataha tvadanyaha samsayasyasya cheta nakhyupapadyate. Etanme samsayam Krishna chetumarhasya seshataha tvadanyaha samsayasyasya cheta nakhyupapadyate. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.